Hello everyone, welcome to curdweb. Today I have another Axure tips and tricks, which is number 8. Here we are going to talk about the text truncation and truncate label with the ellipse and truncating repeater values. So how it will work? Here I have one example where it is showing, like, suppose we have one image and in this block we have the sum of the text. So either we are going to enter the more text, it will have ellipse as well as view mode. So how we can do that? So let's see. So I am going to drag and drop a repeater, and overall it is same follow with the box, which is not a repeater. Simple. So now in repeater we'll have this where we say width and some of the height where we can place the image. So here I have placed the image. Now the box height is this. Now we can have the label. So here is the label. So this label have the lesser height till here. Like once we look at the landing page where we have the number of products and with the sum of the description. So some descriptions are there, we don't know, need more description there. So in that case we'll have this, and now we'll adjust this. So here we can say colon, some spacing is there. Now we can see here like a label, and now I'm going to add the content. So adding the content, we'll have some long text. So here is the long text. Which I have added here. Before that we have to set the text. So suppose we are giving some name. Text level. Just copy it, and here instead of rectangle we'll align to the text level. Now we can see here. So it is coming down, but here we need just 2-line text, and after that ellipse or view mode. So for that what we need to do? So it is very simple. So like in previous example, as I said, here we are going to set the maximum limit or size. So suppose first we'll enable the case, and here we can add the logic for this. So logic is, first we take this name, text level. Now come to repeater, add logic. The length of the widget value, text level already selected, equal value. So here we can say is greater than value just we say 100, then set text. So here we are just giving the text some values. So here set text and text label, where we are giving the condition to truncate. First we'll add the text on visit, and this is text label, and here we'll take the local variable lvr1. Now we have to truncate the string. So for that we need a service string. So we can search here and you will find this service string from and to. So remove this because we have the local variable lvr1. So service string from to. From means it is started with some of the values text. So we'll keep this because we need a initial. So here 0, and we have given the condition for the 100. So we can say 100 here, and after that we have the ellipse. So 3 ellipses here, or either if you want to say view more, you can write here view more, say OK. Now make this condition true and we'll can see. So here we can see it is like 100 is, we can decrease the this 100, instead of 100 we can say 50 or 90, just if it is a single line, so we can say 70. Okay, now here also instead of 100 we can have that 70. So it is adjusted in 2 lines. Suppose we want to write more than 2 lines, so what we need to do, the same thing, like suppose we have to increase this height. Now this till here, so we can say this 120, and here we can have 120. So it will increase this, and here we have given the long text which is getting truncated after this 3 line, means the count of the character more than 120, it is getting truncated. So the same we can do without repeater also. So suppose if we'll have a box and we need just 2 line text here, for that example, so for that example we need some dummy text. So here we have dummy text, and what we are going to do, just we'll copy this and paste it here, but we don't need this much text. So we can same way, here we'll select this and we are going to set the text. Set text, we can add this logic here. Okay. So same length of widget value local is greater than value 100 and set text local, and here value text on widget and select local lbr1, and now we are adding substring from and to. We'll remove this, and here from 0 and till the text is 100, and after that we need ellipse, or you can say view more. Say okay, say okay, and okay. So while it is loading, it will have just 2-line text with the view more. So in repeater it is not visible. Even here also it is not visible, but the thing is, once we have this, we can say the text. So suppose we are just copying the text from Excel or somewhere and we are pasting it. So in that scenario we can use it. So now suppose we have some specific text, like here we can say substring from 0. If we want from 10 or 20, so it will be pasting, it will be coming from the value from 20 till here. And here we can do one more thing. So you can see this view more in a next line. So here text alignment is middle, so we can make it align to left, and we can have some left padding, right padding, and then we can see this. So if we want a view more in the next line, we can use it. We can do that through just placing this after this. So this is for a function which is in a square bracket, and after that if you want to write anything like view more or look into and something, if you want to add the text you can add, and or either if you want just a ellipse you can add the ellipse here. So this is the easiest way to have the text truncation. So how is the trick? Please let me know, write on a comment. Thank you.